Are you tired of being bombarded with endless notifications from a Facebook group? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to mute group notifications on Facebook using your PC. First things first, make sure you're logged into your account. Then, head over to the left side of your newsfeed and click on Groups. Once you're there, select your groups to see a list of all the groups you're a part of. Now, find the group you want to mute and click on the 3 dots located under its name. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to click on Manage Notifications. Once you're in the notification settings, you'll see a list of options. To mute all notifications from this group, simply toggle all the options to off. You can also disable member request notifications if you wish. And that's it. You've successfully muted group notifications from that pesky Facebook group. Enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without the constant interruptions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.